In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can scan amiibos. Now, you probably already know what amiibos do. They give you some really good loot. Bam. Sorry for the recording, guys, but let's get into the video. Okay, so first, you want to go into your A, like that weird A thing, which means amiibo. Bam. And as you can see, it's scanning for an amiibo, guys. So on your controller, so you see my controller, you're going to put link here. And then, if you look back down, bam, and you can see some good little loot around there, but then a chest. Like, what does the chest give you? Well, it's just basically a lucky dip for some amiibos. And it gives me a Knight's Broadsword. So let's drop that. What the hell? Oh yeah, let's just drop that. Okay, and then you can always scan like other amiibos. And if you're not happy with the loot you got, you can just load back into your other save. I hope you like this video. Just make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.